It's 8 in the morning. I'm on my way to work, and my work is very, very near to this. So the explosion, we felt it in my home, 3 in the morning. It shook the entire house, took out all the electric grid. I have machines that work overnight, so 3D printers, so I'm hoping that that's not affected too badly. And I'm hoping that there's no serious damage. Let's go take a look. Well, this is not a very good sign. My work is just down the road, and those windows have blown in. Let's take a look next to me. To the right. And that's not looking so good either. So, could be a mess when I get to work. Yeah, all the windows are blown out everywhere. This is a couple of kilometers, maybe 2 kilometers from the blast. Alright, let's get to work. My baby. Right, I've got to one of my offices. This is where we do our 3D design and 3D printing. And so far it seems okay. Though one of the staff contacted my wife, and let's see the mess. Hello. Wow, it is a mess. Shit. Hi Don. Yeah. Morning, yes. Good, no. No. เครื่องเป็นยังไง
เครื่องไม่เป็นไรครับ
Sure?
I'm not sure แต่ว่าเดี๋ยวต้องเช็คดูอีกทีนึง
Okay.
ยังไม่มั่นใจ
อันนี้ดูเหมือนมีฝุ่นใช่ไหม
ใช่ครับบอส
So, the machine seemed to be okay, covered in some plaster. That's from the ceiling. But seemed to be okay. Okay, let's take a look upstairs. So an inspection of the rest of the building reveals no other damage, so that's good. Oh dear. This is dangerous. Guess I'll give a hand. Okay. Still waiting on news as to what happened in that factory and if there were any injuries. Hopefully not. If there's any kind of update, I'll do another video. Masks. So, it's not the end of the video. There's bad news. I've got to the production site and we've been notified by the police that everybody's to go home because they're worried of a secondary blast, which is my video last night when I went down next to the fire and I said, what idiots would come next to the fire? There could be a secondary blast. If I was the police, I would disperse people to go away. Well, now that's what they're doing. Now that it's working hours. For a 10-kilometer radius, it's pretty serious. And my home is 6 kilometers, so I've no idea. Maybe go to Pattaya for the day. Terrible. Terrible. I'll update again. So it's still not under control and they're worried about a secondary explosion. Apparently there's another tank that they're trying to rescue. I wouldn't want to be a fireman right now. It's probably what they live for, some action like this. Rather not.